So the process to turn off the green dot on iPhone is quite easy and simple. Basically, if you go and open up any app, and a green dot would appear in some of the cases when your phone is using certain services from your phone. Maybe it could be camera, it could be the location and more. For example, if I go and open up the Snapchat, so you can see this green dot has appeared. You probably cannot see. I'm not sure you can see, but the green dot would appear. So if you swipe down and see the in the control center at the top, you have controls. Tap on controls. Now you can see here it says audio and video. The audio is also being used by the Snapchat, and the picture is also being used by the Snapchat. So in any case, if you find some app which is not familiar and you want to turn off the uh, camera access for that specific app, you can simply go to settings, open that, and now you can scroll down a bit. And here you need to find for privacy and security. And inside here, you need to go to camera. So you can see the camera here, tap on camera. And once that is open, now search for the app which you saw when you had the control center and you want that app to not access the camera. So you can simply turn that off, for example, this one. So I've turned this off. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to turn off the green dot on iPhone and have privacy from different apps which are using the camera or the microphone. So hope this video has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.